Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Starbucks Chicken Caprese on Ciabatta Panini. I'm gonna pick it up here. So this is their panini and it's nice and toasted. It's got chicken, spinach, tomatoes, and this pesto with cheese. It smells delicious. I'm excited to get right into this here. And there's about 500 calories in this and a good amount of protein because it's got chicken in it. So let's get into it. Pesto is really good. See it right there. Wow. That's good. And the ciabatta is really nice and thick. It's delicious. I want to fall. Very flavorful. Good amount of protein too. I think there's 30 grams or so. It's pretty good. That was like an ASMR video. I was chewing down on that. There's so much to it. So the chicken's like slow marinated chicken. You can see it right there. It's very flavorful. Like usually chicken like this is a miss, but I think that they got it. Like they hit it perfectly. So I'm liking this. That'll be my last bite. I'll give my final review. Ooh. It's really flavorful. The pesto is really strong. Yeah, it reminds me of pizza almost. So it's like, you bite into the bun. The bun's like kind of, it's a ciabatta bun, so there's a lot to give to it. And then like, you get in, it's nice and soft on the inside, and you get the chicken, the veggies, the pesto, and all of it is like a really good flavor. It mixes together perfectly. So I really like this panini. I've never had this one before, and I'm happy to finally have it. Chicken Caprese panini, or Chicken Caprese on ciabatta is what they call it. But it's technically a panini, so let's call a spade a spade. This is a panini, and it's really good. So I'm a big fan of this one here. I like chicken, and I like when chicken's paired well with the vegetables and stuff like that. So this one obviously was paired very well. So I can give this an 8 out of 10. The Chicken Caprese on ciabatta. It's real good. So go try it out. It's good lunch, breakfast, or whatever you may, or whatever time of day you might try this. So I like it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.